Hey, I hope you all had to do a bunch of these before you got one you liked too. My name's Brian Sims. I live in Fort Mill, South Carolina, which is really Charlotte, North Carolina area. I'm only about 10 miles away, and I work in uptown Charlotte. Um, my major is web development. I've been doing web development type work for quite a while. Have a huge interest in computers. I've been in the IT world for more than 20 years. Um, kind of specialized in an application called SharePoint, which is an intranet web development platform about 10 years ago, and taught myself kind of the ins and outs of that, and now I do that for a living. Um, so I have a pretty good amount of experience with kind of general web development type stuff. A lot of HTML, CSS is involved there. Learning JavaScript and the other things that go along with web development as well in this program. Um, let's see what else. Something interesting about myself, I sing in a community choir. It's kind of a semi-professional type thing. I'm definitely on the semi end, not the professional end, but we do have some professional singers in the group. It's about 100 people, and we're gearing up right now for our big show of the year, which is the Singing Christmas Tree. It's actually the first singing Christmas tree in the country. There are others around the country now. And this is going to be our 64th year in a row of doing the Singing Christmas Tree. Obviously, not all with me on the tree. Um, but it's a lot of fun. I like music. I like good music. I'm always involved in church choir. I'm a choir director right now, and really like that aspect of it. Um, let's see. Talked about experience, expectations for this course. I just want to get through it. I tried it once before and had some problems about halfway through, just with scheduling and stuff, and had to drop it. So I think I'm going to be able to get through all the way this time. Hopefully. So when I get through, move on to the next level of development. Um, sorry, I have all my notes here on the other screen. I think that's everything you need to know. Feel free to hit me up, and I'll do whatever I can to help out anywhere I can. Thank you very much.